may need that wire anyways.
So you can just zip the front end off as one piece.
Yep.
Nice. Where do you want to put it, the living room?
Yeah.
You also need the spanner socket. I got the starter
Spanner socket?
wire.
Why, is it spanners?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yep.
yeah.
Gee. Oh yeah. Nice.
So far, so good, right?
Yep. Yeah, it's.
Yeah, brother. Ready?
Yep. Damn.
Okay.
Just the stator's not.
Well,
You yelled at me for
I
that
never
last
unplugged
time.
it. Fuck. And it's all fucked away up there. Just cut the wires. Clip them with the clippers. Because we may need that wire anyways. Okay.
Where are we gonna put it?
I don't know, but I don't want it to fall on my lip. And
Okay, I'm holding it.
Are you though?
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Where are we putting it? Babe, you're scratching the fender.
Okay.
I think I have one of these fenders in my garage.
Grab the front.
Where are we going with it though?
Right on the floor, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah. Got it? Or no? Ready?
You got it?
Stuck. What's stuck here? Oh, the fucking oil pressure wire. It's okay, I'll fix it later.
Put it on the rug.
Okay, ready?
Yep. This is so nice, tearing down shit we don't give a fuck about.
Right, so now, what I would do is just unclip it here, and then we'll just take it off with the subframe. Can I run no subframe?
Yeah.
This is heavy.
Let's do one of those cut subframes with like no tail.
Yeah, no tail. It's so cool.
Okay, thank you.
What are you going to do, sell the servo?
Yeah. We might need that. What exhaust are we putting on it? Good. So much easier to don't care about it. This is great. Oh, wait. Pile of Gixxer. Do we want to take the arm off first or the front end off?
No, on top side. So
And bolt the front stay and then. Yeah!
and then what we'll do is we'll slide the top clamp out and then lift up and leave the forks and everything together.
Yep. You're so strong. They've probably never been taken out.
Would you look at that?
Just look.
Just look at it.
Oh, that wasn't even tight. This is so funny.
Comical.
The brother. Brother. Give me that ratchet.
Why don't you just stick a fucking, instead of using that as a... Right? Good. Out. Look at that. No. Get away. Good. Go.
Upside down jixer. Jesus. Hold
Front
on.
end's gonna be a little heavy.
You hold the frame, I got the forks.
Okay.
Okay.
What the fuck was I gonna do, right?
I thought we weren't gonna have to buy anything for this bike. That sucks.
Well, I didn't have a choice. Stop the fucking frame.
Nice.